How to scan UCard? Follow the instructions. Open your phone's wallet app or UCard app. Ensure your UCard is properly added to the app. Make sure your phone has enough battery. Turn on Bluetooth or NFC if required. Check that your phone is connected to the internet if needed. Unlock your phone if it has a screen lock. Hold your phone close to the card reader. Wait for a vibration or sound to confirm the scan. Check for a green light or confirmation message on the reader. If using a physical UCard, simply tap it on the reader. Wait for the confirmation tone or line. If using a QR code, hold the code clearly in front of the scanner. Ensure the scanner can read the code without obstruction. Confirm that the scan was successful. Thank you for watching.